Hello student, here we discuss about electrochemistry. Next equation exercise we will do related to electrochemical cell. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. God bless you. All the best. Practice makes a man perfect, my child. And teachers, I am requesting you, please help them to get rid of tension. Here, aluminum zinc cell electrochemical cell, how much many type of question they can ask. Write cell representation. Second, identify cathode and anode, E naught cell of the reaction, E cell and E naught cell relationship using Nernst equation. Okay, so here we will discuss first I will tell you cell equation. So aluminum react with zinc to positive ions and reduces zinc to positive ion to zinc. Aluminium itself oxidized to Al3 positive. Aluminium is better reducing agent, so it will it will reduces Zn to positive to Zn. Now give and take of electrons. See, aluminum is discharging 3 electrons and it is taking 2 electrons. So imbalance will be there. That is why if 6 electron it will give to this zinc. So 3 times Zn to positive will be 6. Okay, so now electron transfer total will be 6, and this is the balance equation. Twice of Al plus thrice of Zn2 positive gives you twice of Al3 positive plus thrice of Zn here. So what is number of electrons involved? How many number of electrons? 6. So this is the bone for us. Now we will see that Al here Al oxidizes to Al3 positive, act as anode, and Zn2 positive converted reduced to Zn, so it is cathode. So this is anode, this is cathode. This is cell representation also. Now E naught cell and E cell, and this is E naught cell. How we can get E cell? E cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So we have to write on reduction potential of zinc first, zinc to this, and then minus reduction potential of aluminium. So that is why I have written here. Now Nernst equation. In this Nernst equation I told you N is equal to 6. So E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT NF log of product concentration upon reactant concentration. E cell is equal to now E naught cell is equal to 0.0591 upon 6, because this value 2.303 RT divided by F is equal to 0.0591. Here I will let you know R gas constant, T 298 Kelvin temperature, F is equal to 96500 coulomb. When we will solve it, this factor is solid, then it and 96500 coulomb, this is Faraday. 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulomb. Value is 0.0591. This value will put over here, okay, and will remain as such. And now product here, this is a product square and reactant whole cube. Coefficient is going to the power.